Hey everyone, welcome to Timothy's Toy Therapy. My name is Timothy. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different to what I've been doing recently, which is action figures. Today we are going back to Ken for a little bit. I ordered some stuff off of eBay, that's the one, and mostly for Alan, the new Alan toy that came out. We're going to talk about him. It's more like a redress, not a review of him because I don't have his outfit on me. It's packed away somewhere. But we're going to try something on him, try something on Mini Motheus, and have a little fun doing it. But yeah, the way I have Alan dressed right now, this exact moment, is why I'm wearing my current new sweater. So I have him dressed like this. He's wearing Love is Love IT outfit, Milo's outfit, I believe this is. But the sweater underneath is actually from a Bratz boy. So yeah, I'm actually hiding how short it is on him with the jacket, which I think is fine actually. See, as you can see, he's got a little midriff going on, but we don't see that. So we just imagine that it's full sweater. He's also got a little chain, and on the chain is a little ring that I put on him. The hat is just a hat that I've decided to throw on him, but it's kind of funny as well, in a way. He's also wearing the IT shoes. I don't have him on a made-to-move body. He is on his normal body because at the moment I'm just okay with him being on what he's on. Like it's not that serious to me currently, if you know what I mean. So, but serious enough to buy him an outfit. I've wanted to dress him in black for a while. And slowly getting his outfit ready. I want a fedora for him, but the Barbie fedoras are too big, too small actually, too small for his head. This is the only hat that I've got that kind of fits him. Yeah, so this doesn't work. Actually, Barbie's fedora doesn't even fit Mini Motheus, so that's annoying. Anyway, that's him. The other one we will be redressing, and we're going to have a bit of fun with it, by the way. I'm going to try them on a few. So here's Mini Motheus sneaking in. And then also have my work in progress Mini Motheus as well, who is wearing I Am Knuff. I am selling my I Am Knuff hoodie that is for me because I don't wear it and I don't like it either. So if you're in Australia and you are on Marketplace and you want an extra large I Am Knuff hoodie, check it out. I'm selling it for $30, so Australian, $30 Australian. Anyway, what did I buy on eBay? Well, I bought this. Upside down. There we go. I bought this. So it is a 1/6 scale action figure shirt, jeans, and belt. Hopefully it fits. It looks pretty big in here. Maybe it would fit a buff Ken. I don't have a buff Ken on me to try it out, so I guess that doesn't matter. I think I just ripped that thing without needing to. It is sealed with a zip. And here it is. So the belt is pretty cool. There you go. Belt. The shirt. And the jeans, which feel like they might fit a buff Ken. I'm not sure yet. How does this come undone? Oh, snaps. Little snaps in there. How about we turn the camera around and then I can show you the other angle. I like that idea. All right, so this might work better. Here is the shirt. It looks really, really nice. I'm okay with this pocket, but I would prefer no pocket there. Sleeves, I don't have any little buttons on it there. But you have a snap at the top, a snap in the middle, and a snap at the bottom, which is cool. So I'm looking forward to trying that on Mini Morpheus, actually. Then the jeans, real pockets. Let's see. Yeah, oh, they're not finished at the bottom, so holes in the pockets at the front. Velcro for the zipper, which is cool, and two functioning pockets at the back for the jeans. Really nice. And then you've got the belt, which is also cool. The other thing I got today was a nice little suit. It's like a John Wick suit on eBay, and I hope this is good. So we got the trousers, which look really sleek and nice. This is what I'm going to try on Mini Morpheus. Pockets, Velcro at the front. It's quite thick. How well do these pockets work? Let's see. Oh, they are finished. Are they? No, they're not. Holes still. Holes in the pockets still. They look like they might fit Ken okay. Quite well. Very nice. Very, very nice finishing. These Ken's heads are getting in the way. Let's do this. Very nice finish. Are these real pockets at the back? No. No, they're not. But they look good. Then he comes with, I thought there was a belt with this one. Maybe not. A turtleneck, which is awesome. I can't wait to put that on both of them, actually. And then this amazing blazer. I'm so excited to try that on Mini Morpheus. And last thing that he comes with, or they come with, is some really nice, oh no! Well, these shoes won't be fitting anyone. That's a shame, but they look nice. They'd make good props. Whoops, that fell. You can hear how solid it was too. They look really nice. Very sculpted, very, very me. Oh, what a shame though. Damn. Oh well, that's fine. So let's just get these guys into some outfits. Okay guys, so here is Alan in his black outfit with the skivvy or the turtleneck that we got on. It's very nicely fitting. I could take the jacket off and show you. Okay, Mum's just decided to vac the house, but here is the turtleneck without the jacket on. It looks cool. I might lose the chain. It's a bit tight around his neck. Now, he really needs a hat, but that is him. Also, I might as well show off Rock Hudson. He's on a buff body, and these jeans fit him okay, quite tight around the calves, but otherwise they're really good. They fit him better than a normal Ken, and I decided to put on a white top and this black jacket that Minimotheus was wearing before, and then some white shoes as well. Alrighty then, this is Minimotheus number 2, who I've not finished. He is wearing the same as what Alan had on before, but with Steve Trevor's jacket on top of that, and it's looking great. So here he is with me in a similar kind of sweater. And don't mind my bed, it's a little bit messy. And now for the one we've all been waiting for, the suit and shirt, and it looks incredible on Minimotheus number 1. Oh my god, I love it so much. Give him a spin. Oh my god. Look at the quality. Look at that. It looks like a real suit. I wanted one of these for Minimotheus. Well, for Minimothy, and then he became Minimotheus. For forever, I need a kind of tie for him. Oh my god, look at him. Dreamy outfit. He's still got his boots on from the Cowboy Fashionista that came out. But I really, oh my god. Oh my god. This is absolutely stunning. Incredible. And pairing him with his best friend Tiffany. Gorgeous in black. Oh my god. I love this outfit. They look so good. Amazing. And here he is with Tiffany and Rock Hudson. So I've put Rock Hudson in the IT outfit actually, and it looks quite good on him. It does make him look bulky, but he is bulky. He is the buff Ken. I've got just that normal t-shirt on underneath, and I think this looks really good on him, to be honest. From the back, really good. And here is Ellen without a jacket on, in some leather pants and the turtleneck. And here he is with a jacket on. Looks great. And then he wears a leather trench coat. I love it. I absolutely love it. That looks so good. I love this trench coat. And I wouldn't mind one for myself, for my mini. Well, I've got one for my minis. I wouldn't mind one for me, to be honest. Yeah. Alright, so that's the end of the video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We are closing in on 1,000 subscribers and I would appreciate the support. When the time comes, I will be doing giveaway to celebrate that. I think I'm going to do a piece of original artwork, a custom doll that I make, and possibly an action figure as well. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Follow me on social media, Timothy's Toy Therapy, on Instagram, Facebook, and here. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.